Solve this system of equations. And in this video, we're going to do this using matrix row reduction. There will be other videos that you can see to do this using elimination and substitution. So first of all, write out our matrix. And remember, what we are trying to achieve at the end is something of the form 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and then values here which tell us the answers. And we're going to do this attacking one bit at a time. We're going to start by going at those. We're going to leave the first row as it is. And we're going to make those two equal to 0. To do that, I'm going to do that for the first one. I'm going to do row 2, take away 2 lots of row 1. So this, take away 2 of those. That would get me the 0. So minus 4, take away 6 is going to give me minus 10. 3, take away negative 4, that's 3, add 4 is going to give me 7. And 5, take away 6 is going to give me negative 1. And then for this one, I'm going to do row 3, take away 4 lots of row 1. I could have done 2 lots of row 2, that would also have worked. Give me 0 here. 1, take away 12 is negative 11. Negative 1, add 8 is 7. And 6, take away 12 is negative 6. My next stage. Now I don't want to lose those 2 zeros I already have. And now I want to turn these two into the zeros here. So I want to get a 0 and a 0. And with that, that means I'm not going to do anything for now to that row there. I'm going to leave that one as it is for this round. Now I have to be careful not to lose these zeros. So at this stage, I've got to combine this row with something to get rid of it. Easiest thing seems to be to do 10 lots of row 1, add 1 lot of row 2. No, sorry, 3 lots of row 2. That would give me 30, add negative 30, that would give me the 0. The 10 lots of row 1, add 3 lots of 0 is going to be 10. That's going to be minus 20, add 21 is 1. That's going to be 30 minus 3 is going to be 27. And then for this one, I need to be extra careful to not lose the zeros. Now, the only way I can do it by not losing these zeros is combining row 2 and row 3. I've got 10 and 11 here that I need to combine, so that's going to be quite a big thing. I'm going to do 10 lots of row 3, and I'm going to take away 11 lots of row 2. So that's zeros. 0, take away 0 is going to still be 0. That's going to be minus 110. Take negative 110, so let's add 110 and gives me the 0. Great. 10 times 7 is 70. Take away 11 lots of 70, so that's 70, take away 77 is minus 7. And then I've got minus 60, take negative 11, so add 11 is going to be minus 49. The next step is to get the zeros here and here. I want 0 and 0. I don't want to lose any of the zeros I've already got, so those all need to stay the same. And I'm not going to do anything to that bottom row this time round. I'm just going to attack the ones with the zeros I'm trying to get. Now I need to think carefully at this stage about not losing the zeros I've already got. So how am I going to combine 2 rows here so I don't lose that 0? So I can't combine row 1 with row 2. I've got to combine row 1 with row 3 to not lose this 0. So I'm going to do 7 lots of row 1 plus row 3. So that's going to give me 7 lots of row 1 is 70, plus the 0 is still 70. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 lots of 1 plus negative 7 is 0. And then I've got to do a big calculation here. I've got to do 7 lots of 27 plus negative 49. So take away 49, which gives me 140. And then in the second row, I've got to combine somehow to get this to 0, but not losing these zeros. So it's got to be a combination of row 2 and row 3. Fairly straightforward. This one is row 2 plus row 3, because these two will cancel out. So that's 0 plus 0 gives me 0. Minus 10 plus 0 is still minus 10. 7 plus minus 7 is 0. And minus 1 plus minus 49 is minus 50. Now I've got it into some multiple along each of these. The last thing is just to divide through each of those. So divide by 70 to get me 1. Divide by 70 gives me 2. Divide by negative 10 to give me the 1. Divide by negative 10 gives me 5. Divide by negative 7 to give me 1. Divide by negative 7 gives me 7. So we get the final solution that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 7.